Students, this is lecture 1 of acid spaces and salts, which is your chapter 2 for class 10. My name is Hamza Sani and I'm going to give you the briefing of this lecture. Let's start with the SLOs that we are going to discuss in this chapter. In this lesson, we have SLO 10.1.1, which is define and give examples of Arrhenius acids and bases. So we are going to start the most important theories of acids and bases. तीन theories हैं हमारे पास. We have Arrhenius theory, we have Bronsted-Lowry theory, and the third one is called Lewis theory. These all theories give you the definitions of acids and bases. So हम जब acids and bases को पढ़ेंगे तो हमें तीनों theories के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. The basic one, the most important of all of them, is the Arrhenius theory, who was the first scientist. Arrhenius was the first scientist to give the definition of acids and bases. So let's look what Arrhenius theory actually is. Arrhenius theory says that acid is a substance which dissociates in aqueous solution to give hydrogen ion. तो यहाँ पे कुछ terminologies हैं. We have different words here. We have dissociate word here. We have aqueous word here. So what is an acid basically? Arrhenius said acid एक ऐसी species है, ऐसा substance है, okay, कैसा chemical है. When you put that in water, aqueous means water, okay. So when you take an acid and put that in water, it dissociates. What do you mean by dissociate? To break down. जब molecule break down हो जाता है, उसके ions produce होते हैं, ठीक है. The breaking down of a molecule to produce the ions is called dissociation. So remember, dissociation means to break down, to split. It is also called ionization, okay. So they are same. They have the same meaning, to break down, to produce ions. Okay? To produce ions is called dissociation simply. So when you put acid in aqueous solution, when you take acid and put that in water, it's going to give you hydrogen ions. Arrhenius said all acids give you hydrogen ions. And bases की definition क्या बताई उसने? He said bases dissociate in aqueous solution to produce hydroxide ions. So what is hydroxide ion? Hydroxide ion is OH ion and the hydrogen ion is H positive ion. Okay, so hydrogen ion के ऊपर charge क्या होता है? +1. What is the charge on hydroxide ion? Hydroxide ion -1. Okay, so acids will give you hydrogen ions and bases will give you hydroxide ions in water. Okay, so this is Arrhenius theory. So in short, we can say that acids produce hydrogen ions and bases produce OH, which is hydroxide ions in water. Let's look at the examples of Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius acids क्या होते हैं? General equation से हम कैसे देखते हैं? So Arrhenius in general he represented acid with Ha. Okay, so Arrhenius ने acid को Ha कहा in general equation. General equation अगर हम लिखते हैं Arrhenius acids की, तो हम acid को क्या बोलेंगे? Ha. What is H? H is the hydrogen ion and A is the counter ion. Okay, hydrogen के ऊपर charge क्या है? +1. और उसका जो counter ion होगा वो obviously क्या होगा? It will be negatively charged. So when you take acid Ha and put that in water, it's going to give you hydrogen positive ion and the counter negative ion. Okay, so ये दो क्या हो गए? बीच में से टूट गए, dissociate हो गए, hydrogen ion produce हुआ और counter ion which is negatively charged in presence of water वो produce हुआ. ठीक है. AQ stands for, AQ से क्या मतलब है? AQ stands for aqueous. Aqueous means water. So examples क्या है हमारे पास? Let's see. HCl, which is very common, it is used in laboratory. It is called hydrochloric acid. When you take that in water, वो put that in water, it's going to produce H positive ion and इसका negative ion कौन सा होगा यहाँ पे? Cl. Okay, so Cl के ऊपर क्या charge है? Negative. जितने भी हाइड्रोजन, one thing, जितने भी हाइड्रोजन आयंस होंगे उतना ही नेगेटिव आयन क्या करेगा? उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए भी अपोजिट एंड पर होगा. ठीक है. काउंटर आयन कितना होगा? काउंटर आयन के ऊपर चार्ज क्या होगा? जितने भी हाइड्रोजन आयंस होंगे. सो वन पॉजिटिव चार्ज को कितना बैलेंस करेगा? वन नेगेटिव चार्ज. सो यहाँ पे अगर एक हाइड्रोजन है तो उसके ऊपर क्लोराइड के ऊपर क्या चार्ज होगा? वन नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा. काउंटर आयन के ऊपर जितना चार्ज हाइड्रोजन के, जितने हाइड्रोजन नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स होंगे, आयंस होंगे, उतने ही उसके ऊपर चार्ज होगा नेगेटिव. ओके, this is nitric acid. Nitric acid is HNO3. HNO3 is one hydrogen. It has one hydrogen. So one hydrogen and the counter ion is nitrate. Okay, this NO3 part is called nitrate. So it produces hydrogen ion and nitrate ion. हाइड्रोजन आइंस कितने हैं 1। आई सेड जितने हाइड्रोजन आइंस होंगे उतना ही नाइट्रेट के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा, उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए, ठीक है, काउंटर बैलेंस करने के लिए उतना ही नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस। अगर मैं बोलूँ H2SO4, यू आर गोइंग टू से देयर आर 2 हाइड्रोजन्स इन H2SO4, सो SO4 के ऊपर कितना चार्ज होगा 2 नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा। फाइन। CH3COOH, अब यहाँ पर दिस एन एक्सेप्शन, ये क्या है, दिस इज एन ऑर्गेनिक एसिड। इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम H हमेशा शुरू में लिखें, H एंड में भी आ सकता है। इन केस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स वी राइट H इन द एंड, सो H इज ऑलवेज एट द एंड ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल, सो this is the hydrogen that is going to produce. In this case this is hydrogen ion, and this part is called acetate ion. So hydrogen ions, number of hydrogen ions is 1. There's only one hydrogen ion in this molecule, so obviously what's going to be charged on the acetate ion, it's going to be -1. Fine. So these are the examples of Arrhenius acids. Let's look at Arrhenius bases. General equation for Arrhenius bases. Arrhenius said that a base always has an OH ion and a counter ion. Obviously counter ion always balances out the charge. So in this case we have B. B is the counter ion and OH is the hydroxide ion. So when you put that base in water, it's going to produce hydroxide ion. Obviously hydroxide ion is always negative in charge, it has a negative charge, -1 charge. So जितने भी हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन होंगे उतना ही पॉजिटिव चार्ज दूसरे वाले के दूसरे काउंटर आयन के ऊपर होगा, ठीक है। सो देयर इज ओनली वन OH इन दिस, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी पॉजिटिव वन। सही है। लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल। NaOH, which is called sodium hydroxide, very commonly used base in a lab. When you put that in water, it's going to produce Na positive ion and an OH ion. If you don't remember Na के ऊपर चार्ज क्या होता है, always remember जितने भी OH ions होंगे, कितने OH ions in this case there is only one OH ion. So OH ion is negatively charged, so obviously the counter ion is going to be positive one. Okay. Common acids and bases that we use in laboratory, we have a list. So you always must remember at least these examples for the rest of your chapter. This is going to help you. So these are some common acids: hydrochloric acid, formula is HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4. These are some common bases: sodium hydroxide, which is an NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH2, aluminium hydroxide AlOH3. Okay, there are certain limitations of Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius was a basic theory, that was the first theory of acid and bases, so obviously it wasn't a perfect theory, so there were some problems in Arrhenius theory. You can call them limitations, you can call them defects. What are the defects or limitations in the Arrhenius theory? Arrhenius theory always talks about aqueous medium, okay, but now chemists know that it is not important for an acid or a base to be in aqueous medium. हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम एसिड्स और बेस को वाटर में डालें तो वो एसिड और बेसिक होंगे, बट you know, this is a defect. And second thing, which was the defect, is considered as a defect, is Arrhenius theory always says that an acid should always produce hydrogen ions and base should always produce OH ion. But now we know that there are certain compounds like carbon dioxide and NH3, like carbon dioxide and ammonia. They don't have hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion, but still carbon dioxide is an acidic gas and NH3 is also a gas, but it's basic in nature. So it is not important that an acid always must have hydrogen ion or a base should always have hydroxide ion. That is not important. Now we know that. So these are certain limitations. That's all for today. Hope you understood everything well. Meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.